Hello, Lucario lovers. Welcome to iWhere Official. Are you prepared to tap into your inner aura and set off on a journey to find Lucario? In this detailed guide, we'll uncover the strategies for acquiring this rare Pokémon. From hatching eggs to receiving mysterious gifts, we've got everything you need. Lucario is an extremely rare Pokémon in Pokémon Geo. It can only be obtained by evolving Riolu, which is a rare find from 7-kilometer and 10-kilometer eggs. The hatch rate for Riolu is reported to be as low as 0.7%. Lucario has also been featured in 3-star raids, providing another opportunity to acquire it. Its rarity adds to its desirability among players. Patience and persistence are key to adding Lucario to your Pokédex. How to get Lucario in Pokémon Go. Method 1. Walk to hatch egg. To hatch an egg in Pokémon, you need to walk the required distance with the egg in an incubator. First, collect eggs from Pokestops, gyms, or gifts. Open your egg inventory from the Pokémon menu and select an egg to hatch. Place it in an incubator. Eggs have different distance requirements for hatching, typically 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 7 kilometers, 10 kilometers, or 12 kilometers. Once you've covered the required distance, the egg will hatch and you'll receive a newly hatched Pokémon. Walking is the traditional way to hatch eggs, but there are also other methods to hatch eggs without walking. Wait, did someone say teleport? Such as using location spoofing tools like iWhere iPhone Location Changer. The iWhere iPhone Location Changer is a tool that allows you to simulate walking in Pokémon Go by changing your GPS location. Open iWhere on your PC and connect your iPhone via USB. In the iWhere interface, choose the one-stop mode from the options available. In one-stop mode, you need to set your starting point and your destination. You can do this by entering the addresses or selecting points directly on the map provided by iWhere. Once you've set the starting and ending points, iWhere will automatically generate a route for you. You can customize this route by adjusting the speed to simulate different modes of transportation, like walking, cycling, or driving. After setting up your route and speed, start the simulation. iWhere will move your device's GPS along the route at the chosen speed. This simulated movement can help hatch eggs in Pokémon Go as if you were physically walking the distance. Receiving a mystery gift in Pokémon games is a fun way to obtain exclusive, limited-time items or event Pokémon. To unlock mystery gifts in Pokémon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, go to the TV station in Jubileef City after getting the first badge. Talk to the TV producer on the 3rd floor and answer his question with Everyone Happy Wi-Fi connection to unlock the feature. Then, select Mystery Gift on the game's main menu and choose Get via Internet, or Get with code password to receive your gift. After successfully receiving the gift, it will appear in your game for you to use. More tips to quickly find Lucario in Pokémon Go. Using Incense and Lure modules are effective ways to attract more Pokémon to your location in Pokémon Go. When you activate an Incense, it will increase the spawn rate of Pokémon around you for 30 minutes. It's particularly useful when you're on the move, as it will attract more Pokémon than when you're stationary. Lure module. This item can be placed on any Pokestop to attract Pokémon to that location for 30 minutes. The effect is similar to Incense, but is stationary and benefits all players near the Pokestop. To catch rare Pokémon, including Riolu's pre-evolution Lucario, you can join raids in Pokémon Go. To find a raid, look for gyms with upcoming or ongoing raids. If a raid is upcoming, you'll see an egg with a timer, and if it's ongoing, you'll see the silhouette of a Pokémon. You'll need a raid pass to participate in a raid, and you can get one for free every day by spinning the photo disc at a gym. If you want to join additional raids, you can buy premium raid passes from the in-game shop. If you're near the gym, you can join the raid directly. As you continue your adventure, thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.